Okay, we're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go to linear equations. And by the way, that's under algebraic equations and inequalities. We talked about some linear equations over here in this section, and we just kind of touched on some basic ones, if I remember right. And I hope we're working a little bit more advanced ones. If not, you're getting a refresher course, I guess, on it. Okay, so this is 7.2. 7.2, and what do we got going on here? Let's see, 3x over 24 minus 2 minus x over 10, and that's going to be equal to 5 plus x over 40 minus 1 over 15. And so we need to find a number that both 24, 10, 40, and 15, the smallest possible number that all three of those go into. And let's see, 5 times 40 is what? 120. Okay, I think it's 120, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and rewrite this. 3x 24 minus, I hope 120, that's it. 5 plus x over 40 minus 1 over 15. Okay. So we're going to multiply 120 times all of our terms here. Alright, and then simplify some things down. Let's see, 5, that's 0, 5 times, yeah, okay. Alright, what color can I use here? Green. So 24 goes into 120 5 times. Let's see, 10 goes into 120 12 times, and 40 goes into 120 3 times. Yeah, what the heck? And then 15 goes into 120. 15 goes into 120. 8 times. Alright. So we have 5 times 3, that's going to be 15x, minus, we'll go ahead and just rewrite the 12, and do the same thing with 3. 5 plus x minus 8. Alright, so let's see, we got 15x minus 12 times 2 minus x 3 times minus 8. Alright. Okay, 15x minus, so 12 times 2 is 24. Of course, that minus and the minus make that a plus. And distribute that 3 across, it's going to be 15 plus 3x minus 8. Collecting up like terms, we have 15 plus 12, that's going to be 5, 6, 7, that's going to be 27x minus 24 equals, we have 3x, and then 15 minus 8 is 5, 6, 7, 7, yep. Alright. Let's go ahead and leave this 27x over here on the left, and the reason for that is because this coefficient is larger than this coefficient here. Remember, we always want a positive coefficient, and then 24 over to the right, and then plus 7. We don't care about these signs, but we do care about that we want a positive. Let's see, what's that going to be? 24x is going to be equal to 31, yes. All right, we always want a positive coefficient here. And so we end up with x is equal to 31 over 24. And I don't believe we can break that down anymore, right? So our possible solution set, which I'm pretty sure this is the solution. And of course, you always want to go up here and make sure that you don't have zeros in the denominator, and we don't. So pretty sure that's good to go. We're over here at gotomath.com, working it out, doing a little linear algebra. No, we're not doing any linear algebra. We're solving linear equations. That's a different course, linear algebra. Anyway, we're doing some finding the solution of some linear equations. I hope to have linear algebra up here sometime next year or so. Alright, so we are done, and I'll see you in the next problem.